Speaking of going all over the city, here's another story we've unscripted just for you.
It's football season, and nothing says game day like finding the right flavors to accompany the action. I have dietitian Ashley Hawk here. Ashley, this is quite the spread. What do you have for us today?
Well, you're so right. When it is the weekend in the fall, it's all about having the right overtime indulgences and things to snack on, which is why I'm really proud to partner with a wonderful company because they have some awesome foods that are going to help amp up the nutrition and the flavor. First dish over here is a great example of how we can take game day classics like a queso. Who doesn't love a creamy, cheesy, gooey queso? But guess what? We're making this with plant-powered pistachios. What we've done is we've just soaked them in water, and then we put them into our blender. We blend them up with a little bit of nutritional yeast, and then depending on what flavor you use, you can also add additional seasonings, but you might not even need it. This is the one that I made with the chili roasted pistachios.
Chili roasted.
Okay, you got to give it a try. But what I also love about this is in every serving, you're getting all 9 essential amino acids.
All right, I love a good queso, so I'm going to be a harsh critic on it.
The other good thing to keep in mind, Olivia, is that unlike a traditional queso, which is going to be high in saturated fat, this is made with polyunsaturated fats and monounsaturated fat. In my nutrition playbook, we always want to eat the rainbow, right?
Yes.
And what a great way to do that by putting out a really fun, colorful spread. So in the middle here, I had the shelled pistachios because this is also a great way to avoid that mindless snacking. So we have the roasted sweet potatoes.
Okay.
Then what you do is put them out with a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and then you've got your crushed pistachios of any flavor of choice. Dip it directly in the glaze and then right into the pistachios. And you have this really gourmet looking beautiful bite that you get to take. We also want to make sure that we have more of an entree to serve, right? So we are going to be creating this Palm Wonderful 100% pomegranate juice marinade.
Ooh.
So you're going to help me. What we're going to do is we're going to add in the pomegranate juice.
Okay.
And what I love about the Palm Wonderful juice is that it has no added sugar, no fillers. Then we're going to add in some olive oil. You can go ahead and add in the vinegar, and then there's also the garlic over here. The Palm Wonderful juice has 700 milligrams of polyphenol antioxidants.
Wow.
So we're making a drink that we're calling the Palm Refresh because it's got a lot of fresh mint in it. So go ahead and start muddling this at the bottom of the glass.
Okay.
Here's
I'm going to add
mint.
a lot of mint because I'm a big mint fan.
Exactly. I love
like
mint too. Exactly. And then what you're going to do is give it a good stir there.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is add in 8 ounces of the pomegranate juice. And not only does it have the antioxidants, but it also has as much potassium as a banana. So that's going to keep you healthy. It's going to keep you refreshed. And then here's the fun little kicker to this drink is we're going to add in just a teeny pinch of Himalayan sea salt. Bet you didn't see that coming. This is just going to bring out the flavor. And then we're also going to add in a dash of water to help it all kind of come together.
Thank you, Ashley.
Well, thank you so much. And if you want to get more of these recipes or find out more, just go to @PalmWonderful or @WonderfulPistachios.
Okay, coming up, more secret spots and hidden gems, plus a few places you'll only find on